I have been sent by your customers. The people who cannot make it to your offices, the people who cannot make it to the negotiating table, have sent me to you because they want the relationship between you and them to be mutual, and they want a win-win outcome out of the relationship that you have with them. Because they can't find their way to your good offices, they have given me instructions to come and speak to you about their issues. And I am happy that you already are walking in the correct trajectory. The announcements you have made here are very positive in the right direction. I am very confident that walking this journey in the direction you have started, we will get to the correct destination. You are aware that in the last several months in the campaign, Fuliza was a very popular word in our campaign. And I'm happy that you are listening. And because you are listening, today you have made a very positive statement on matters Fuliza.